I don't know about you guys, but I'm tired of the heat. We still got things going on. We got events, family functions. We get picnics we're being invited to. So let's say you're invited to a picnic. Okay? You got nothing. I need some kind of a cold salad fast. This is the perfect recipe. We're going to try it out and we're going to let you know how it is, all right? Come on in close. Here's a rundown of the ingredients. I'm using English cucumbers because English cucumbers have no seeds. You can use regular cucumbers if you want. I got some dill, fresh dill, sour cream, salt and pepper, garlic and onion. All right, next thing you're going to want to do is chop up the dill. Now I took off the main stems, the thick stems. I still have tiny stems in here. It's okay. Don't panic. Don't try and get all your stems off. The whole plant's edible. So chop it up and it'll be just as good as the leafy part. All right? Let's see if I can put my hand on here. Oh, I can. Cool. All right, first thing we got to do is cut our cucumbers. Cut them to the thickness you like. Okay, so I'm noticing that after I cut all my cucumbers, that it looks like they got tiny seeds in them. So I'm guessing they're not as big as regular cucumber seeds. They're smaller seeds. I was told that English cucumbers did not have seeds. Forgive me. Now that we've cut up all the cucumbers, we're just going to take about maybe a cup. This is all eyeball. This is all how much you like for like your dressing on the salad. Okay, some people like a lot, some people don't like a lot. So now we got our cup of sour cream in here. We're gonna add a little bit of our seasoning. Whoops, we gotta try to run away. Add some garlic, some onion, a little bit of salt. Lots of pepper. Love me some pepper. Put your dill in there and give it a good mix. Dump in our cucumbers. And the goal is to get all your cucumbers coated with this dressing. I might just be taking this to Bible study. It looks so good. All right, let's give it a try. There we go. All right, the dill in this recipe is so important. The salt brings out a sweetness out of the cucumbers that I've never experienced before. This is a great recipe, quick and easy, and it's delightful, and it's refreshing. It's great for these hot days, nice cold salad. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next episode. I love you.